If this bar closes near its low, I'm going to take a chance that it's a potential high of the day. So I'm not 100% decided if I'm going to swing it for the entire day, but it's possibly a high of the day. So I'm going to see how much I can get out of it. Okay, I just got filled. Just traded one share, and my stop was about 50 cents away. So we'll see if this can go for me. I'm trying to find an example. So today's kind of like this. You get a few breakouts on the open, after a gap up, trying to rally, and if you fail multiple times, that could be a potential high of the day. So the price doesn't get back up above the high from the first few bars. That's what I'm looking for today. We tried up here, failed, tried again to break out, failed, tried again a third time, failed. So I thought it's not high probability, but if I'm right, you could make 4 to 5 times your risk. So, and it looks like the breakout is going in my direction here. So I'm pretty happy with the trade right now. Now I just haven't decided if I want to swing it for the entire day or take it on its first hesitation. That part I haven't figured out. So this is an experimental kind of trade because I've never taken this setup before. So I kind of just have to work through it in my head and see what makes the most sense for me. Okay, so I decided to exit my trade there. Got about 75 cents from it, that's probably more than I've gotten before. So the trade worked out pretty well. I wasn't sure if I was going to swing it for the whole time, but it gave me so much right off the bat. So I thought it was a reasonable place to take profit. If I had traded more shares, I could have taken off half there and then left the rest. But with only one share, I thought that was a pretty decent move to take profits on. And I'll see in a few hours if I could have got a bigger move, but I'm pretty happy with that move. So I'm happy with my read there. So I definitely got out way too early. Today actually ended up being exactly like the example I showed. Two failures after a gap up, and then ended up being the high of day and getting a huge sell-off. That's pretty much exactly what we have today. So the read was pretty good. Just didn't expect this to happen. So, I mean, getting 5 consecutive bear bars here with decent strength might have been an indication of that, but on this day, we didn't have that strength, and we still got a huge breakout. So I'm not sure how to interpret that, but I definitely missed a big move here.